Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete old Facebook account. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Tap on menu option and scroll down. Click on logout. Okay, and logging your old Facebook account, just click and tap on menu option, click on settings. Okay, after that tap on see more in account center and click on this option personal details and tap on account ownership. Click on deactivation option. Click on your Facebook profile and tap on delete account. Just click and tap on continue and delete old Facebook account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.